Hello. Today I just wanted to show you my little EDC pouch. Pouch itself only cost me about $4 off eBay, but comes with a belt loop, so easy to carry. Now on the side I carry a mini Bic. I remove all the child safety locks off my Bic lighters. They just slow me down. On the side I have a Olight O-Clip. So it has different brightness levels. Solid red for signaling. A long press goes into flash mode. And the great thing about these O-clips is that it has a clip, so you can clip anywhere. And it also comes with a magnet, so my Falcon Evan with nice sharpener. So it's magnetic. Now for a blade, I'm carrying a Milwaukee Fastback 6-in-1. Has one-handed opening. Thing I like about box cutters is the quick release, and it's easy to turn around. You have always have a sharp point, and it also comes with a spare blade inside. So there is another Fastback that carries about 3 or 4 blades, but that's very chunky, much wider. Blade comes with a little wire stripper. Comes with a bottle opener, which I tend to just use the blade to pry off with my hand. And it comes with a bit driver. So the standard bit with the 6-in-1 is a Phillips head on one side and a straight screwdriver on the other. Now with my set, I've also carrying hex bits. These are metric. I also have AF, and I also have a little bit driver extension, so I can make a full-size screwdriver. Recently I tried to use my Swiss Army knife compact. This has the plush scales with the pin and a pen, which is really good. I also have a little tinder and ferro rod on there. But the trouble I had was using the new multi tool for a Phillips head. I had to undo a long screw on my brush cutter, and this was just going to take forever, and it's not straight like a screwdriver. So this has a liner lock, locks it in place, so no fear of it closing on your hand. Also comes with a lanyard and a belt clip, so it's not too wide. And what else have I got? Carrying a fold up can opener. Don't open cans very often, but just wanted to see if it fitted. And I also have a Knipex Cobra pliers. These are the 4-inch pliers. So also have the 5-inch, more traditional. This is probably a better size, but you know, pinch, I would use these. Also have the a 6-inch, 7-inch, 10-inch. Of course, this won't have the power of the 10-inch pliers, but in a pinch, pardon the pun, this will get me out of trouble. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my little short video, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.